recently left Texas for a world of adventure in the Caribbean and beyond. So join me as I journey to find the prettiest sunsets, friendliest sea life, epic views, and the best beach bars. Stay curious, friends, and enjoy the ride. After all, to live would be an awfully big adventure. In the last episode, we ended with a stunning Sedona sunset. Today, I'm stopping in Flagstaff to get the highly recommended Diablo burger before heading off to the Grand Canyon. Heading to the Grand Canyon. I stopped in Flagstaff, went to Target, got a few more groceries because I'm not quite sure what's up here. So yeah, now I'm heading out to Grand Canyon. I kind of got to take my time today because it's only like an hour and 15 minutes from Flagstaff where I'm staying. But it's really off the grid. At least it claims to be off the grid. I don't know if I'm gonna have cell service or not. So, Grand Canyon, here we come. This time I will not say what I said as a 13-year-old, where I said that it was just a big hole in the ground. Didn't age well. My 13-year-old self was sassy, okay? Grand Canyon or bust. Hopefully more on the Grand Canyon side than the bust side. They weren't lying when they said this was off the grid. This is interesting. Okay, I just got here and it's super cute. It's so different from where I just was. So I've got a little seating area. That's a lay down hammock thing. And my tent. And there's a couple other campsites over there, but they're like really far away. There's like nothing else out here except for a storm. I'm gonna give you the grand tour before I move any of my stuff in. Okay. This is my little tent. This is called the Bohemian tent. And look how cute it is. I didn't really need a third bed, but it was what was available on Airbnb. Like, okay. There's like enough room to have a party in here. I mean, just me, but. Okay, I've seen my tent. I've seen how to get here in the daylight. I know where I'm going. Ish. It's like hot as hell here, and obviously not a place to just like hang out in the middle of the day when it's like 99 degrees. So I'm gonna go drive and see the Grand Canyon because that's what I came here for, right? On my 45-minute drive from the campsite to the Grand Canyon, a storm blew through and dropped the temperature to a cool 60 degrees, but it did rain on and off all afternoon. Oh, hey, bud. You gonna move? Is the bus gonna push you out of the way? Oh, that's rude. That was rude of them. So I'm trying to figure out how to light this butane propane thing and then cook ramen noodles in a skillet. I think you just So we're just gonna get the same amount of water that should be and just spread the water out, right? Probably way too much water. Actually, let me just tell you guys, when I decided I wanted to go camping, really going camping, doing all the camping, I just wanted a hot meal tonight. Not just wine and hummus, which is what I've lived on the last couple days. Ramen noodle is not as good as wine and hummus. Let's just. This will be interesting. Boil. I'm really worried about that canvas right there. See? Ramen in like an egg skillet. Lamp on my noodle in a tent on a teeny tiny little stove in the middle of nowhere. I'll take it. These frolicking cows started their day very vocally mooing at 6 a.m. outside my tent. What a way to wake up. So this cute little tent I'm staying in obviously doesn't have any power. So I'm having to charge everything from my car on the 40-minute ride into Grand Canyon National Park. My charger charging. Oh no, my Garmin charging so that people know where I'm at. And I've got my phone charging on my other power brick. When I return, I guess maybe I'll charge the GoPro from it's a USB-C, so I'll charge that from my laptop. I feel like I'm gonna run out of charge. I started way late today, so I'm gonna hate myself when I'm out hiking. Don't worry, I've got plenty of water. Pre-hydrating with liquid IV, it's my new favorite thing. I'm gonna hate myself, but I got up and I enjoyed my coffee right there, watching literal nothing. I just hung out for a little bit. I'm on my own vacation, so I can make my own schedule. And if that includes me being mad at myself for hiking in the middle of the hottest part of the day in the Grand Canyon, then as Joe says, there's no free lessons. I'll just sweat a lot today. It'll be fine. It's like super heartbreaking. You probably can't see it, but down the road is closed because right over there a little mini airplane, I mean, it's like a 2-seater airplane crashed like in the middle of the freaking road. So no one can really get like in and out of the park. Why are they letting people walk? They're like letting people walk back and forth, like to go look at it. Hopefully that means there were no fatalities. Oh, that's just so scary. So because there's no way in and out of the park, and I don't want to just sit in my tent for nothing, I've got to find something else to do. So I don't know what that is, but I really hope everyone in that airplane was okay. That's like one of my worst nightmares. Seriously. I sat outside the visitor center for 2 hours waiting on them to clear the road before I went adventuring elsewhere. I took a scenic 1.5-hour drive to Snowbowl, this small ski resort, to see what they had to offer. Okay, so ended up on a ski lift, 10 minutes up, 10 minutes down. And you could buy a drink for your ride. So why the heck not? I'm kind of obsessed. This is weird doing it without ski clothes on. And I'm all by myself. All by myself. But it's cool seeing the ski runs. Nothing on them. For the record, do not like going down. I've only ever gone up ski lifts. I feel like that's how that should be. You go up, you get off, you ski down. You don't go down. Like, don't like. It's gorgeous though, but it's stressing me out a little bit. All right, friends. Technically it's day 3 in the Grand Canyon. First day it was raining, so I just visited little points. Oh, that's cute. Just married. Squirrel. What's I even saying? Oh, day 3, Grand Canyon. First day was raining, so I just drove around and stopped at all the points. Second day closed due to the plane wreck thing. So now it's 11:21. I'm just getting the latest starts. I'm starting at the furthest point you can start the South Rim trail at. It's supposed to be a really easy trail, but just not hiking down into the Grand Canyon. Just see where it takes me. Just a couple miles, see the Grand Canyon, save down it. But it's really nice. It's like only 80 degrees right now. So though it's a dry 80 degrees, it's not bad. It's way better than 120, which is what it was last week. So thanks, Mother Nature. Okay, well, that's my trail. And hi, bud. Or lady. How y'all doing? Okay, nice to meet you. Bye. That was easy enough. She's beautiful. Yep. Oh, so I guess that's where it wanted me to go. Here's a behind the scenes of what my camera sees when I'm snapping my pictures for Instagram. You know what? There was a 20% chance of rain, 7 a.m. this morning. The rest of the day, 0. I don't think I believe Arizona weather. Keep flying. I am enjoying that it's a little breezy and brisk. It's like 75, let's be real. Whew. But the trail is totally paved and very easy. Most of the time you're by the actual like wall up there. Not wall, drop off, kind of the opposite of a wall. This is the lookout from the visitor center at the Grand Canyon, where visitors can park and access with just a few steps, as opposed to the 3-mile hike I took. This was in late August, and as you can see, there wasn't much care for social distancing here. I went in, fully masked up, got my picture, and then got out of there. And then all of a sudden, we're sunny again. Okay, Arizona. You're weird, but beautiful. Alright, this is the South Rim. Today, we parked here and did the like 3-ish miles up here. And then 3-ish miles back. So that's what we did, or are doing, in the process of. Post hike, just hanging out in this like hammock for 2 people. That's perfect. I'm gonna take a nap here now. If you enjoyed this episode, you can check out more at ashtononadventure.com or hit subscribe up at the top and follow along in the next adventure.